Hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial on using the Playable Ad editor, a powerful tool that enables you to transform your video ad into an engaging playable ad. Let's get started with the basics. This tool empowers you to create a playable ad by enhancing your existing video ad with interactive overlays. The playable ad generated is compatible with various ad networks. Check the description for a list of supported networks. Keep in mind that playable ad networks often have restrictions, such as a maximum file size for the playable ad package. In some cases, the package file needs to include all assets in base64 format, resulting in approximately a 140% increase in file size. To navigate these constraints, it's recommended to use a video file up to 3 MB. To access the editor, visit https://video.playableads.store. Begin by uploading your video. For optimal performance in both portrait and landscape modes, consider using a video with an aspect ratio of 1:1. Explore the playable preview, located at the bottom. Easily switch between portrait and landscape modes to ensure a seamless experience. Navigate to the left side to find the Playable Ad settings. In the General Settings, set the Playable Ad name and the action links for iOS App Store and Android Play. Note that some ad networks may handle these action links in their console during the upload process. Adjust the background color of the screen outside the video rectangle to enhance visual appeal. All changes made in the editor are immediately reflected in the preview, providing a real-time view of your playable ad. The entire application operates with millisecond precision for effortless manipulation, ensuring it won't impact your workflow or the end result. Keep an eye on the bottom right corner for warnings. In this example, 2 warnings about the App Store URLs are displayed. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll talk about overlays.